Hi, this is Dr. Mark at Acupuncture Associates of Denver, and in this video I'd like to talk to you about how we treat asthma. We get a number of asthma patients that coming in, and their goals are to reduce their inhaler medicine, to have less wheezing, in general to have better lung function. And this is what acupuncture can provide. Is very effective. In Chinese medicine, asthma is a combination of a weakness of the lungs and the kidneys. And when we talk about organs in Chinese medicine, they don't necessarily correspond to what we think of in Western medicine terms. These theories of medicine and disease were established thousands of years ago, but they're very effective. And so when we put points in to strengthen the lung function and points in to strengthen the kidney function, what happens is the signs and symptoms of the asthma are reduced. There's less wheezing, people are able to get off their medications, reduce their medication use, and sometimes get off their medications. They're able to increase their physical activity and exertion without triggering breathing difficulty. The concepts, and there are many different and varied concepts in Chinese medicine that explain asthma, but one of them, which is interesting, is you have a concept where the lung qi, the energy of the lung, corresponds to the breath. And then the energy of the kidneys corresponds to energy that pulls the breath down and anchors the breath. And that's why the lungs and the kidneys work together. If there's a weakness in the one, let's say there's a weakness in the kidney function, the Chinese kidney function, there's not enough energy to pull the breath down and there's shortness of breath. And if there's weakness in the lung function, there's not enough energy to bring the breath into the body. It's a delicate balance. We see with many conditions from a Chinese medicine perspective is that small deficiencies, small weaknesses in organ function have a dramatic effect in the symptomology of the condition. That's why acupuncture is so good at dealing with problems that are small by nature but have a big impact. A lot of times you'll go to the doctor and the doctor will shake his head and say, there's nothing wrong with you, when clearly there is something wrong. Acupuncture specializes in that, finding out the small problems and making corrections and having big impact in health. It's no different when treating asthma. We can strengthen the lungs and the kidney function in small ways that make a dramatic effect in a patient's ability to breathe well and breathe easily and be more physically active. To learn more about this, feel free to call us, check out our website. We have some testimonials and articles about how we treat asthma, and come in for a treatment and see for yourself how you feel.